Good morning, everyone. I'm just walking out of the hotel right now. It's a little chilly today. What's the temperature right now?
It's 71 degrees right now.
71. I mean, that's not really chilly, but the breeze makes it chilly. So I'm gonna walk over to the convention, check it out, and because I still haven't been to a convention center, so yeah, let's check it out. So I'm at the Hyatt right now. I'm trying to see. I think the lounges are all closed. I'm really sad because they have free food. So I was just getting some Starbucks, getting some coffee, and then I look up and run for Louis right there. I took a little Snapchat and I had a little bit of a conversation with him and it was really cool, but I'm just so awkward when it comes to people and like that I like to watch, and I was just like, I was like, oh, you know, I love your videos, and especially I asked him a few questions and he seemed like kind of engaged, but he seemed like he didn't really want to, like, you know, he was looking at his phone and he was like, oh, you know, dude, I have to go like shoot this video, whatever, but you know, I mean, he was nice, but he wasn't like, I don't know, why do I always feel like it's how I approach people. I don't know, I gotta work on that, but yeah. Okay, I just wanted to say that, but okay. And there he is again. That's so funny. Hey guys, so I'm here with my roommate Jada.
Hi.
Jada Pinkett.
Smith.
No, but so you went to TanaCon, right?
Bitch, no, I mean.
So you like tried to go to TanaCon, right?
But the line was so long.
Yeah, so basically TanaCon was a flop, and I feel
Very
super
long.
bad because Tana is so nice. I guess it was canceled because 20,000 people showed up when it was supposed to be a venue for 5,000. Yeah. So what else was your experience there when you got there? You just waited in line for hours, right?
I didn't actually go.
Oh, you didn't go. Wait, to just go in front of me and do that again? No, to keep on walking. I'm not gonna do it. No, keep on walking and do it. She just did that and people were looking at her. So hi, so Emily and I, we're ordering Postmates right now, Taco Bell. We want to have a mukbang. We just ordered a lot of food.
A lot of food.
So we're gonna place the order right now. I'm actually scared to place the order.
Yeah.
Okay.
This, I believe, is the dessert.
Perfect. Perfect. And then
Raspberry. The only other one they had was the regular Baja Blast fruit.
that's fine.
Okay,
That's perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Of course.
I got it.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. Damn. This is crazy.
We're closed with 3 bags.
Oh my god. Literally, this is gonna be crazy mukbang. So I just did a mukbang with my friend Emily, so please check it out on my second, not second channel, but check it out in my next video, I guess. And I'm gonna meet with one of my friends, Wyatt, and my other friends, and just hang out and do stuff, so yeah.
I love
you. Guys, we're leaving our hotel room. It's really sad, but we're leaving. VidCon's over. I know, right? Where'd she go? Alright, oh my god, I see somebody vlogging. I'm gonna miss VidCon. Kind of. This year was, I don't know what the hell it is like these past, because I said the same thing for Orlando. Because Orlando, I was like, oh, I don't really know, it's kind of different this year, and VidCon, it was just different this year. I don't know, I didn't really like, sorry, I'm like staring at my face because I look so pale right now. I don't know if it's the shirt or if it's the lighting or what, but it was cool. I just feel like I didn't do as much as I should have, honestly. I should have done like gone to panels and networked more. I did actually network a good amount on one night where my roommate has good ass networking skills. Like, I want him to room with me every time I go to an event like this. He can network his ass off. We went to events and he was literally like going to each person. We go up to just like what I need to work on doing. We went to like a chill event at a rooftop bar. Actually kind of recorded a little bit of it. His name's Sydney, by the way. And we would go up to a table and he'd be like, hi, how are you doing? My name is Sydney, like, nice to meet you. What do you do? He'd like talk to them, and if they need help with something, he'd be like, oh yeah, I have connections for this, and like get their number like that, which is like, I'm trying to work on. And then he would go up to another person and then be like, hi, you know, I'm Sydney, you know, I do this, what do you do? Like, you know, why are you here? Who do you know what I mean? And like, it's so, it's all about networking, it's all about connections, pretty much, and like, you know what I mean? And like, it's who you know, and it's really good to know a lot of people, especially in this entertainment business, and, you know, so it's just really cool. And then TanaCon was a big thing that happened this year. I'm also, okay, this is what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to get a ride to Hollywood, and my friend might have a hookup to get a very big discount. He didn't tell me exactly what, but he said it should practically be free from an Uber to here to Hollywood. So I'm gonna see. I'll record. We're actually gonna get something to eat too right now, so I'll record like in a little bit. Yeah. Oh, I need to stand here. Hey guys. Okay, so basically we're still in Anaheim right now. I left my roommate. We had some pizza a little bit ago, and we're actually gonna head. I actually just met up with Liv.
Hi.
She's also staying in the Hollywood house, so we met up. We're gonna split Uber, and we literally have all of our bags here. It's kind of crazy. I have 4 alone, and then she has the 2. So basically, we're just gonna do that, and yeah, see you guys in LA. And I'm so excited to see the house and live in there. You're staying the whole week, right?
Yeah, I'm staying till July 1st.
I'm only staying 3 days.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, I know. So
You gotta make the most of your 3 days.
I know. I'm gonna be hopefully not sleeping. I'm gonna be late nights and early mornings.
Oh, snap.
I know. I'm gonna be so tired, but yeah, it's gonna be really fun though. Okay, so we just got to the apartment, and yeah, I don't know, I'm really excited. Holy shit, look at this. Whoa. Oh my god. Damn. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, I cannot get over this view. Hey guys, I'm with Emily.
Hey!
So at this point, you probably saw our collab video that we did.
Did you? Did you like it?
Did you guys like it? Was it good?
I'm still full.
I'm the same. So we are in our LA house. So we're pre-gaming for going out to clubbing, I guess soon.
Cheers! Cheers to the shot dance!
All of us are just like to a bunch of different places in West Hollywood, and yeah, I'm really excited. I'm just trying to eat a little bit because I'm really hungry. I didn't eat much, so, and it's cool because a lot of these people actually have never even met, and I'm meeting them and getting to know them and hanging out with them, and it kind of feels like Big Brother. It's really exciting. But so we have this penthouse in Hollywood. Is this considered West Hollywood or Hollywood? Okay, so this is considered West Hollywood. Yeah, so I'm not gonna bring my camera in, but I will record a little bit on my phone, so I'm gonna insert some phone footage of our clubbing experience. Say I'm big, say I'm changed, but I'm still the same bitch. Taking downers, you ain't working. I'm a upper, I've been working all week. Bitch, I can drop in a minute while swerving, you've been late. I'm taking W's, sorry for your loss. I'm making W's, I'm at the W. I'm making W's. Yeah. I'm a deadbeat. True. Yo. Aww. Are you really excited?
I'm so excited.
I know.
Oh, it's because you found like it's a drink.
Yeah.
I mean,
well,
are you actually gonna get anything? But
this is like a legal thing now. You know, we love obeying the law. No, I'm just kidding.
Yes, obeying the laws.
So, what are you doing? Like, where are you after this week?
After this week,
Yeah.
I will hopefully have a place to live.
So you're like every day looking for a place, and
Yep,
then in a
that's
week.
what we're doing. And then I have an interview tomorrow, and I have an interview later this week, and we're
Okay.
gonna see if I get a job.
Oh my god! So I know you said you're interviewing for a production company, or what
Full
is it?
screen tomorrow.
Wait, really? YouTube
Yeah.
full screen?
Full screen.
What?
And Sony.
Wait,
later
doing
this
what?
week. Hey y'all!
Hey guys, what's going on? Yes, we're going clubbing tonight.
Don't fall up the stairs. That's a bad way to start.
So,
Yeah.
so Dami,
Eh?
so where are we going first? The Abbey?
I heard the Blazing Saddles.
Never heard of that, but okay.
It's like really tame.
Let me
What?
give you a Texas
It's super
perspective
tame.
on Blazing Saddles.
Okay.
So I've seen a video, right? I'm from Texas. Ryan was like, this is really gonna give you a feel of Texas. And I was
Yeah.
like, okay, yeah, let me see.
Wait, really?
That's what he said.
Guys, I'm scared.
It is a nightmare.
Wait, there's literally, wait.
He was literally just like skipping
I
past us with
literally
a
was
screen
like,
mask on.
holy, he's...
Wait, are we leaving or are we Second one, two.
Second one. This is for my vlog.
I'm in the vlog. You having fun?
It's so much fun. It really is. It's a lot of fun, and I'm having a good time.